Hi, I'm Norm Stillman from the Court Street Animal Hospital here for this week's PCN Pet Health segment. I thought this week we'd talk about allergies. This is a subject that seems to be cropping up a lot lately. I feel like maybe a third of all the animals I've seen lately have some kind of allergic issue, and of course my own allergies are terrible this time of the year too. Dogs and cats both get allergies, and almost always they manifest themselves as skin conditions. I know that intuitively you would think to yourself that if a dog is allergic to something that he's eating, he ought to be having vomiting or loose poops. And if he's allergic to something he's breathing in, that he ought to be coughing or sneezing. And if he's allergic to something that he's walking on, like the grass, he ought to have inflamed feet. But as it turns out that almost regardless of what a dog is allergic to, or a cat, the symptoms are always the same, and they're always itchy skin, itchy feet, itchy ears. In other words, there is no correlation between what a dog or cat is allergic to and the symptoms that they have, but they're almost always skin conditions. So if your dog or cat has been itching a lot lately, or if they have little scabs on their skin, or if they have an ear infection, or if you've noticed them chewing on their paws or licking around their bum a lot, those are very classic allergic symptoms. It may be that they don't have a skin infection that you think they do, but rather they have a seasonal allergy. And the treatment for that's very different than for just a general skin infection. Might be worth letting your vet take a look. Allergies are very treatable in pets, although they're sometimes hard to cure. They tend to fall into two groups: dogs and cats that are allergic to something in the environment, pollen, dust, mold, or dogs and cats that are allergic to something that they're eating, like beef, chicken, corn, wheat, dairy, very common allergens. But even those things look exactly the same when it comes to symptoms. So there's no way to look at an animal and tell what there's allergic to. It's just a matter of trial and error, a really good history and physical, and correlating their symptoms to time of the year or things they've been eating. Again, good things to discuss with your vet. So again, if your pet's having some symptoms that have been concerning you, especially itchy skin, scabs, infected ears, chewing on the feet, maybe worth thinking about an allergy. Very common this time of the year. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you soon.